goddess beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and today we're combining two of my favorite things, narrated stories, true crime, and nail tutorials. Please be advised that the content on this channel includes detailed descriptions of true crime, mystery, and murder stories which may be distressing or triggering to some viewers. Viewer discretion is strongly advised, particularly for those sensitive to graphic depictions of violence, discussion of traumatic events, and mature themes. If you or someone you know is affected by any of the issues discussed, please consider seeking support from a professional. Now let's get into the story. The 1920s bootlegger's bloody end. Welcome back, mystery lovers. Today, as we dive into a rich autumn nail design, we're traveling back to the roaring 20s, a time of jazz, speakeasies, and the notorious underworld of bootlegging. Behind the glamorous facade of the jazz age lay dark, deadly secrets. One of those secrets, the bloody end of one of the most infamous bootleggers, Johnny Three Fingers Malone *. It was a tale that shook the city to its core, leaving whispers of murder in the autumn air. Let's take a look at how this kingpin's reign came to a gruesome conclusion. The 1920s was a decade of rebellion, where alcohol, despite being outlawed, flowed freely in secret clubs and underground bars known as speakeasies. Bootleggers controlled the supply, becoming wealthy and powerful, but their lives were riddled with danger. Rival gangs fought over territory, and betrayal was as common as a glass of gin. One of the most feared and respected men in this shadowy underworld was Johnny Three Fingers Malone. Known for his ruthlessness, Johnny carved his way to the top, controlling a vast empire of illegal liquor, gambling, and protection rackets. But power like his didn't come without enemies, and autumn of 1928 would be the season that brought his bloody end. Johnny's story began in the early 1920s when he was just another street thug trying to make a name for himself in the bustling city of Chicago. The Prohibition era was in full swing, and Johnny quickly realized there was more money in bootlegging than petty crime. He partnered with a local distillery, and soon his bathtub gin was pouring into every speakeasy in town. Johnny's charm was as sharp as his business sense. He managed to strike deals with both the police and rival gangs, ensuring his empire grew without interference. But as his power increased, so did his list of enemies. Rumor had it that Johnny kept his competitors in check through a mix of bribes and bullets. Autumn in 1928 was a particularly chilly one, both in weather and in the underworld. Johnny had made one too many enemies, and the rumors of his brutal tactics had reached the ears of rival bootlegger, Big Al Costello. Costello had his own empire and wasn't about to let Malone's expanding operation encroach on his territory. Costello knew that taking down Johnny wasn't going to be easy. Malone was always 2 steps ahead, and his connections made him nearly untouchable. But every king has a weakness, and for Johnny, it was trust. He was betrayed by one of his closest men, Danny Smokes Romano, who sold him out for a fat stack of cash and a promise of control over part of Malone's territory. On a crisp autumn night in late October, Johnny received a tip-off from Danny about a big shipment coming through Costello's turf. It was supposed to be an easy score, a chance to cripple Costello's operation. Little did Johnny know, the entire thing was a setup. As Johnny and his crew arrived at the warehouse, they were ambushed. Gunfire erupted, and within minutes, the place was drenched in blood. Johnny fought back, but the odds were stacked against him. His men fell one by one, and soon, Johnny was left standing alone. Bleeding and barely able to stand, Johnny staggered out of the warehouse, trying to make it to his car. But before he could escape, he was met by the man who had betrayed him. Danny Smokes Romano stepped out of the shadows, a cold grin on his face. With a single shot, Danny ended the reign of Johnny Three Fingers Malone. His body was found the next morning, slumped against a lamppost, his blood soaking into the autumn leaves that had fallen around him. The police never officially solved the case, though whispers in the underworld said Costello had paid handsomely for the hit. Johnny Malone's death marked the end of an era for Chicago's bootlegging scene. His empire crumbled, his men scattered, and Costello took over much of his territory. But Johnny's legacy lived on in the stories told by those who knew him, stories of a ruthless kingpin who rose from the streets only to fall victim to betrayal. To this day, many wonder if Johnny's death could have been avoided, or if his ambition was always going to lead him to that bloody autumn night. In the end, Johnny Malone became just another name in the long list of unsolved gangland murders from the Prohibition era. And that, my friends, is the story of Johnny Three Fingers Malone, a bootlegger whose bloody end came with the fall of the leaves. As always, stay tuned for more mysteries and crimes from the past as we continue to blend history and nails. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you love the stories of yesteryear as much as we do. The screen fades to black with autumn leaves swirling, accompanied by a final eerie tune.
I don't really like to get poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out here choosing battles. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, I'm scared, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, ain't nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way. I need to get the fuck out my space. Basement's on the way, please don't beg. Pussy spin like a way to scared. Don't have no chance. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. When you got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving savage, calling on my finger. How to reach me in time, and the days in my rise of the light, committed mine. Where you belong, don't no single spot. Can't be outside, cause I'm not against the crowd. Am I on mine? Wherever you are, don't call me. I'm up and low, I'm out of range. Starting on the sun, me, I like to get it poppin'. Take pictures in my business, got me out here choosing brands. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but I'm sure I keep it quiet. Even though I'm scared, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, ain't nobody knows shit. Even though I'm scared, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, ain't nobody knows shit. I need to talk confidential private. Don't want no thinking I'm a rubbish. Time so strange that we on the first class. Don't work my nerves, you know I can boys. Fucking we ain't making love no more. You took that talk, but ain't no mental with. So struggling, baby. Whatever you need, don't call me. I remember telling me I like to get it poppin', but the bitches in my business got me out here choosing bunnies. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I'm scared, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, ain't nobody knows it. Even though I'm scared, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, ain't nobody knows it.
Real shit.
I told I like you, that bitch, I do it. All of them brothers get it, I'm not. Long as you joking, that way for me, I got it. My bitch, get it, do it. I told bodies, long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose. I got it.
Dope your shit.
When I'm with you, got it. You just do it for you. Body like you do. I do.
Dump that shit, baby girl.
In a drop top, 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 Would you bounce to this?
Dope your shit.
Without issue.
Dope your shit. Dope your shit. Dope your shit. Dope your shit.
Nobody do body like you.
Baby girl.
Rock.
Dope your shit. Dope your shit. Dope your shit. Dope your shit.
around for this nail tutorial while we dived into some intriguing stories. If you enjoyed this blend of beauty and narrated stories, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our unique content. Share your nail art results and favorite moments from today's story in the comments below. Until next time, stay creative and stay curious.